Hi, my name is Richard Duenas. I'm the owner of the Elegant Pools. I'm here now. I want to tell you something about my life, my work. So I'm 40 years old. I came from my town when I was 40 years old. So I started doing pools, and I like the business. I keep doing pools the same. I started now from the bottom. Now, thank God, I have better level. When I get here to this country, that's something that I want to do it. And thank God that I am going little by little. But this is my business, pool plastering. I do everything about pools, from the bottom, from the scratch to finish. I do remodels. I do everything about pools.
Describe yourself in one word. Like, what kind of guy are you? In one word, how will you describe yourself?
I'm easy guy to work. I'm easy guy to work. I always try not to help my people, to help my clients, give us the better price that I can, and always trying to do the best job that I can do. I want to say, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to do your own company. This is something only you have to. No, don't be afraid to get jobs. Don't be afraid with the customers. Don't be afraid with anyone. And this is something people always says, we're not gonna make it, but you can make it. You gotta do it. You wanna do it, you can do it.
Gordita or chalupa?
Gordita.
Oh, okay. Frijole con arroz or queso ranchero?
Queso.
Grande verga or chiquito pito?
Who, me? That I want?
Grande verga or chiquito pito?
Grande verga.
Okay, choro rojo or choro regular? Choro rojo or choro regular?
Regular.
Trabajo mucho or mucho jalando?
Both.
Okay, pick one from the list of 6. Taco Bell, Del Taco, El Indio Azteca, El Pollo Loco, the Marisco next to Tesoro, or El Torito?
Mariscos next to Tesoro.
Oh, that's Mike's restaurant, right?
Yeah.
$100. Here we go.
So my name is Efren. I'm about to eat the Packing One Chip Challenge. Let's see how this goes.
Do it.
Woo!
You got it. No problem.
Ah! Chito!
You took that like a champ, brother.
Good. Woo! I'll take the other one for 200. No more jacking. It's good, it's good.
How you doing? Is it over? Still going. So we didn't get to have you in the car the other day, Richie, and I know we're a little bit away from the job, and we like to stay responsible to the job. So we're just gonna go right out here, and I'm gonna do a real fat or tight donut, but it's gonna be fast. Okay, but it's gonna be very tight, not wide. Okay? Right out here, I have the camera one right here, and then we have this camera right here. Okay? Hey, brother. Hey, what sound does the train make?